kumana na mutaratara wa kuhura jaki urimi kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga uria wikaine ta Wezesha Kirinyaga, arimi a nguku kaunti-ini no mari na gitumi gia gukena thutha wa gavana wa kaunti no kumarora na ritho ria tha kuri ikundi 32 cigunikite na nguku 1250 kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti ino.
We are in the first phase. I think we have now done about 7 months. We are now entering the second phase of initiating the second lot of groups, and we will keep increasing every 6 months until we reach 3 million eggs. If you calculate 40,000, about 45,000 chicks will give you about 1 million eggs a month.
Tafarire no itanyitwo kuguna muingi wa kaunti ino na muno makiria atumia na mbeu njithi na oho kuhura jaki utonga wa kaunti. Riri thoko ya matumbi koretwo ikundirete kwa ihinda kuona matumbi makoretwo makigurwo kuma nja wa bururi, undu uria hatiriirie arimi a nguku na njira nini.
As we speak, we are not looking for the market for the eggs. The demand is so high, even the one in the store, I had to tell them to wait first, I come and see before they are taken. So we are encouraging our farmers to work harder, and this will add, every farmer, if the group is about 15 people or so, and we give them 1,500 chicks instead of 1,200, each farmer will add 1,000 shillings a day to their daily income.
Mweri wa gatatu ikundi ici ni ciaheirwo tucui turia turikitie gukura na kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe kihituku matumbi 100,000 ni marikitie kwendio na makarehe baita kuri ikundi ici, kuria umuthi gikundi kimwe kia atumia aria magunikite na ikereka ria mbere marehete matumbi mao kionereria kia wirutiri wao tafarira-ini ino.
We are hoping to expand the machinery, and if we do, we'll be able also to sell the feeds to other people other than just the farmers that we're working with. But for now, the feed that we produce is exclusively for the Wezesha Kirinyaga chicken poultry project.
Undu uyu ni ukenereirwo na njira nene ni ikundi ici, makiuga ni uguni munene kuri o muno makiria ihinda-ini riri kuri na king'uki gia COVID-19 na mawira maingi ni marikitie gutharara.
Riri Ngai atutethetie riu matumbi ni turona megutumbusti ni tukuvota ona guteithia ciana iria twi nacio ithu tuyarikia nini no ngiara kuru namo marona maundu mao ni manyuaga ndawa ni tukuvota gwiteithia na mbeca ici.
Riu mithenya ira tutarareterwo irio tikaturendirie tutiretwigana ona turagura irio tondu tutirari na kindu mibuko twina ongi ona matangivota gukinya aba ni gukura.
Riu amemba a ikundi ici matanyitwo gukorwo makigunika na ciringi 1,000 hari o muthenya angikorwo ni mekuhota kuramata tafarire ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.